In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset MSI Afterburner to default settings. If you've been experimenting with overclocking, adjusting fan curves, or tweaking performance and want to get back to a clean baseline, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. Start by opening MSI Afterburner from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. When the app loads, you'll see the familiar sliders for core clock, memory clock, voltage, and fan speed, along with buttons along the bottom. Go ahead and make the changes you were testing earlier. Maybe you nudged a slider or modified your fan behavior so you can see how the reset brings everything back. If you realize something isn't right or you simply want to revert, look at the bottom of the main window for the circular arrow icon labeled Reset. Click that. If a confirmation prompt appears, approve it to restore everything to default. This action resets the adjustable values in your current profile to the defaults provided by your GPU and drivers. You should see slider offsets return to 0 and fan control switch back to automatic. Resetting reverts the values, but to make sure those defaults actually take effect, click the checkmark button at the bottom. Think of the checkmark as Apply. It commits the reset so your system uses the stock settings immediately. After you apply, your clock speeds and fan controls should reflect the default behavior. If the interface still shows unexpected values, or you've been running monitoring overlays, it's a good idea to restart MSI Afterburner. Closing and reopening the app refreshes its background service and ensures the reset is fully in place. You can exit from the system tray, then relaunch it from the Start menu or your desktop. A few helpful notes as you do this. The exact look of the buttons can vary with different skins or versions, but Reset is always the circular arrow and Apply is the check mark. If you use profiles, the reset affects whichever profile is currently active, so make sure the correct one is selected before you click Reset. Also, if you're running other GPU utilities at the same time, let MSI Afterburner take the lead during the reset to avoid conflicting controls. And that's it. You've successfully brought MSI Afterburner back to its default configuration, applied the changes, and, if needed, refreshed the app to lock everything in. Congratulations on getting your system back